Okay, people. So I see where a lot of people are talking about rebuilding back Jamaica. All right. But one of my things where I keep telling enough of them, because enough of my friend them who go down the other day to Jamaica to help, and they come back and them was telling me that the situation in Jamaica still bad. But then say that there's a good potential in Jamaica to rebuild back Jamaica, and a lot of people will be getting a lot more help more than before. Okay, now the question I want to ask you guys: how would you like to see they rebuild back Jamaica? You understand? It's not gonna, it's not like say something which gonna happen overnight. It's gonna take a period of time. But the only thing I wanna say, how would they rebuild back Jamaica and to get Jamaica back into that, you know what I mean, like what we used to have before? Leave in the comments and let me know what you guys, because I would love to find out and I love to know. You know what I mean? How they're gonna rebuild back Jamaica, because I'm looking forward towards that also. But some of my friends them who go down the other day and help in the hurricane system, in the hurricane disaster, they were telling me a lot of things what can be done in Jamaica. But one of my things where I said to a lot of people back home in Jamaica is try and get a lot of these container house, because they are very good, and you know what I mean, distribute them to people and help a lot more people back in Jamaica. Anyway, I'm gonna cut it because I'm not gonna be, you know what I mean. I want to leave in the comments and let me know what you guys think, man. Rebuilding back Jamaica, and how would you like to see Jamaica look like for the future? But there's a good things in Jamaica going on right now where a lot of people are talking about and what the government is doing. All right. I never voted in my life, and I love to vote in Jamaica. Anyway, I'm hot. See you guys later, man. Bye bye.